Good morning, everyone. So, we are finally starting with the Android Study Jam wrap up event. And thank you so much for joining in today. Again, this is the last day of the year, so we thought that we should wrap uh, the Android Study Jam. It was a wonderful journey having four sessions spread over 4 days, learning about Android, learning about Kotlin. And I know that when we start with Android development with Kotlin as students, it seems fairly new and we don't know how to start, but I'm glad that we have reached here. We have learned a lot. I think this would be a good start for anyone who is willing to be Android developer. They can start from what have been done till now in these four sessions and finally get a good grasp over it. So I would like Niranjan to carry forward from here and tell us what we are going to do today.
थैंक्स नेरी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबको एडवांस हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। ठीक है। और 31 दिसंबर है और आज का लास्ट डे है ऑफ द ईयर। सो बेसिकली आज हम क्या करेंगे कि एक छोटा सा क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट रखा है। एक पिछले जो हमने सारे सेशंस के अंदर किए हैं उसके ऊपर छोटा सा एक क्विज रहने वाला है। तो आई थिंक सब पार्टिसिपेट करेगा इसके अंदर। तो सिंपली मैं क्या करूँगा कि इसका एक लिंक जो है उसको दे देता हूँ। और एक मिनट। तो सिंपली लिंक पे क्लिक करके हमारे जो अब तुम जा सकते हो। मैंने चैट बॉक्स पे दे दिया इसका लिंक। तो सिंपली आपका लिंक पे क्लिक करे और काहूट काहूट हमारा जो प्लेटफॉर्म है उसमें जाए। और हमारे स्क्रीन पर जो देख सकते हो कि एक आईडी शो होगा गेम का पिन, वो सिंपली एंटर करो और तुम ज्वाइन हो सकते हो। ठीक है इसके अंदर। तो गेम पिन एंटर करो और ज्वाइन हो। और एग्जैक्टली आपका ही नाम देना। ठीक है, कुछ अजीब वगैरह नाम नहीं देना थे क्योंकि इसमें लीडर बोर्ड्स रहता है और तो पहचानने में आसान होगा। तो प्लीज ज्वाइन गाइज। 1 ग्रेट। साक्षी, श्रेया और जो सारे थे। प्लीज ज्वाइन। ओनली 2 पीपल हियर।
Also, a brownie point, we will be giving a shout out to all those who would be winning. So, I think that's a good start for this quiz. So, start joining. It would be fun.
अरे यार सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, आपको सिर्फ आंसर देना है। आपको एचओडी के नहीं बताऊंगा कि आपने नहीं क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट नहीं जीता। सिंपली क्विज ही ज्वाइन करो सब।
एक सेकंड में वापस ज्वाइन करते हैं, कुछ इंटरनेट इश्यू।
हाँ लिंक। अच्छा रबीउल, उसके बाद और जो सारे अभिनव। Three people.
If any of you are facing issues in joining, please tell us so that we can help you.
लिंक एक बार और भेज दीजिए ठीक है।
सिंपली आपका तुम्हारा जो ब्राउजर में जाओ और kahoot.it kahoot.it सिंपली सर्च करो। हाँ तो ओपन हो रहा है।
For all those who have joined new, we are playing a quiz right now. So, to be a participant, what we have to do is basically go to kahoot.it, type in this in your browser, and it will simply take you to the website wherein you will be urged to enter a pin. So, enter the pin that is visible on the screen. It would be 5121869. Once you do that, you will be asked to enter a nickname or a name. So when you enter the nickname, your name will be visible on the screen and we would see that you are being a participant of this quiz. And as soon as we start the quiz, you will get some question on the screen and the answers would be visible in your device, the option. So you will have to just click on what you think is the right answer and then we would be carrying forward the quiz. The pin is 5121869.
सो हम 20 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। 2 मिनट्स लेफ्ट, तो देखते हैं 2 मिनट्स में कौन कौन सा होना है।
So till now we have Sakshi, Shubhadeep, Shreya, Tuheen, and Rabiul.
Abhinav Singh
I
was
think Avinav
joining.
is joining.
अच्छा, जब भी
Shubhadeep, you need to rejoin again. Your name has vanished from the screen.
स्टार्ट कर दे क्या?
Yeah, I think then again we can start.
ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ तो फिर
All the
होगा
best,
काम।
everyone.
ऑल द बेस्ट। Here is a question is written. Android is developed by is the 4 options, ठीक है।
Apple, Microsoft, Google, Android IoT. So what you need to do is go to your device screen and click on the right symbol of the object.
Oops. It's right. This is Android INC. So next question starts with 0.
Yeah,
Okay. What is the
next
latest version?
20 seconds of time, so you need to be fast.
First,
The next
50 seconds.
question is, what is the latest version of Android? Android 9, Android 10, Android 11, Android 12. Go tap in answers quickly.
5 seconds more left. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
So two of
Next.
you have got it right. Very good.
Next.
Shubhadeep and Rabiul. Very good, guys.
Second, APK stands for Android Page Kit, Android Package Kit, none, an Android pack. So 10 seconds left. 9, 5, 4, 3. Android package key. Good. So Android package is the right answer,
Nice.
and not as a Android page key. Okay. So come on, Shubhadeep. What is
Good,
manifest
very good.
XML in Android? क्या करता है ये?
The options are
अच्छे
it
से
has information about layout in an application, it has all information about an application, it has the information about activities in an application, and none of these. Tap it and answer fast. We have two answers.
oh, rather
Okay,
than
the time is up. The right answer was it has all information about an application.
application. Yeah. Whoa.
Okay, wow, great.
अच्छा एक्चुअली शुभदीप वो वाला नहीं खेल रहा है ठीक है. What is the default color of a button? It's red, blue, purple or green. 7, 5 seconds left. First,
Tap answers fast.
it's
It
purple.
must make a wild guesswork.
It's purple.
Okay.
Okay, let's check the leaderboard. Oh, Shubhadeep first and Sakshi second.
Sudeep is ruling and Sakshi has gone to second place, whereas Shreya is on third and Rabiul is on fourth.
ठीक है हो जाएगा. So what is the official programming language for developing Android apps? It's Python, Kotlin, Flutter, Kotlin and Java. So I think
Let's see how many of you get it right.
3 seconds. Yeah, it's Kotlin. One is Python.
Good.
No, Python. Let's see the leaderboard. Oh,
Hmm. Shubhadeep is actually maintaining it, and Sakshi is on second position. She's also maintaining it, and Rabiul and Shreya are competing.
let's see the next question. In which directory XML layouts files are stored? Asset, source, resource layout और resource values. किसमें हमारा XML फाइल स्टोर होता है? लेआउट्स के अंदर, एसेट के अंदर, सोर्स के अंदर, वैल्यूज के अंदर. या इट्स लेआउट के अंदर. वैल्यूज के अंदर हमारा स्ट्रिंग्स और कलर्स रहते हैं, बट लेआउट्स के अंदर हमारा लेआउट फाइल रहते हैं. तो ओहो, 3 correct answer.
Sakshi is on streak. She has given 3 answers correct in a row. Great. And Shubhadeep is maintaining it.
Next. By which method a button can be response to a click? It's a please click, set click listener, none, and set on click listener. Some difference in two. ठीक है, देख के click करना. 5 minutes, 3 seconds.
Tap
2.
answers. They have
Yeah, no one. Actually, it's confusing. Yes. ठीक है, set on click listener is the right answer. इसलिए मैं
yes.
not on is not present in this option. ठीक है. तो okay. अच्छा, no one got the right answer.
Okay, the leaderboard is constant.
ठीक है, next. Which view can take input from the user? It's edit text, input text, or fill text, or none. Easy, easy.
We have actually worked with this, so you guys can remember a little bit and you will get the answer.
5 seconds, 2, 1. Input text. No यार, edit text हमने किया था ना, वो पिछले
Edit.
वो
Yeah.
हमने किया था वो, क्या है इसका, इन सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में किया था ना, एडिट टेक्स्ट को लेकर उसके जो एडिट करते इनपुट लेते थे। हाँ हाँ,
साक्षी का गलती से हो गया. No issues.
नो इशू नो इशू, ठीक है।
As long as you remember what it was. All right.
इट्स कांस्टेंट,
Yes.
it's 10.
Let's see question.
What is the default font style of a text? It's some, it's difficult. I think
Yes.
you don't know, but maybe
I don't think anyone would remember.
it's sans
Still
serif.
make a guesswork. क्या हो सकता है यही सोच के कर दो एक साथ.
अच्छा, sans serif. Yeah, sans is the
Okay,
right
one
answer.
of you have got it right. Great.
Let's see. It's a shoe Pradeep. Wow, great job.
Okay,
अच्छा
Shubhadeep has got it right.
अच्छा, इसका एक आउटपुट है ना, ठीक है। ये वाला चीज का आउटपुट क्या है? फॉर लूप के अंदर एक वेरिएबल पास के कैर इन ओ टू, वो डाउन टू जाएगा वो के तक, ठीक है। उसके बाद हमको कैर को प्रिंट करना है, इसमें कौन सा होगा? ग्रेट जॉब। हाँ, पीछे जाएगा, वो से के तक जाएगा पीछे, तो वही आंसर राइट है। देखते हैं कौन कौन दिया है।
The code was quite self-explanatory.
शूट आउट एंड साक्षी।
Okay, good. Good job, everyone.
By which method we can find the view of their ID? Find view by their ID. It's confusing. It's capital with F and it's small with F, ठीक है। तो ठीक से देखना, फाइंड व्यू आईडी यहाँ पर भी है, यहाँ पर भी है। तो या इट्स फाइंड व्यू बाय आईडी, ये वाला ब्लू वाला करेक्ट आंसर है आपका।
Okay, so a pro tip for you guys in programming, what we do is whenever we are writing a function name, the convention is to use camel case. What is camel case is basically that whatever would be your function doing, you just need to name it exactly the same thing. And if it is made up of more than one word, what you have to do is the first letter of the word should be in small, but the second word initial letter would be in capital, and it would keep going in capital for the next words as well. So keep in mind this, and you would be able to answer this question.
तो इसलिए ठीक है। वो शुभदीप 3 स्ट्रीट, ओके। आई थिंक ये रबील और श्रेया नहीं खेल रहे हैं, ये दोनों ही खेल रहे हैं। हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ इंटेंट? 1 2 3 4, कल ही बताए थे। इजी आंसर 1, 5
First chapter
seconds.
answers fast. We have less time left. 1, 2, 3 answers.
Yeah, 2 is actually the right answer. Implicit और explicit मैंने कल ही बताया था ना इंटेंट के बारे में। जो एक पेज से दूसरे एक्टिविटी में जाना है, तो हमने सिंपली टू इंटेंट से हमें एक्सप्लिसिट एंड इम्प्लिसिट। हमने एक्सप्लिसिट किया था एक गो टू बटन करके, वो सिर्फ पहले पेज से हमारा बायो पेज में ले जा रहे थे। और जो हमारे इम्प्लिसिट बटन थे वो एफबी वाले बटन और इंस्टा या फिर लिंक्डइन, जो भी हमने ऐड किए थे, वहां से हम एक दूसरे ब्राउजर पे ले जा रहे थे ना। So basically, 2 types of intent are present. So Shubhratin first, Shakshi, Rabiul, and Shreya. Okay. Val is a dash variable. It's immutable, mutable, I don't know, and none.
So immutable variables are those variables value cannot be changed, whereas mutable means the value can be changed. Now you have to answer.
Val is immutable. Val का वैल्यू हम भी ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है।
The val
तो
is
शायद
very similar to how a constant works, and its value cannot be changed. And as I said, immutable means that the value cannot be changed. So the right answer would have been immutable. But it's okay, you guys tried.
हाँ, I think ये
Actually,
वाला
we got confused of well and where. We
हाँ
forgot about those.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली ये भी हो सकता है कि आपका ये म्यूटेबल और इम्यूटेबल का एक्चुअल मीनिंग जो है और जो टर्म है वो पहली बार
I can understand.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट. ओके, 15th. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ यूआरएल? तो कंफ्यूजिंग है सारे, तो देख कर देना. ओह, 3 चूजन 3 अलग आंसर. ठीक है, एक्चुअल आंसर था यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर.
Yes,
Someone
the
choose.
URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, and there is something called URI, which you have worked with yesterday. It's
Yeah.
Uniform Resource Information.
Yeah. Next question. ओहो, शुभ्रदीप. वाह. अच्छा, इसका अंदर भी एक चीज है. आपका फ्लोट का जो वैल्यू किसके तरह से लिखना हो अंदर, ठीक है. लाइक सिंपल 10.0 और 10f, 10.0f और 10.0, उसका बाद फ्लोट वैल्यू को मेंशन करना है. तो किस तरह से हम लिख सकते हैं फ्लोट का वैल्यू? नहीं, 10.0 इज फॉर डबल एंड इट्स नथिंग वर्क. ठीक है, ये मैंने इस ऐसे दे दिया. बट 10.0 उसके बाद एफ लगाकर हम ये मेंशन कर सकते हैं कि एक फ्लोट वैल्यू है. ठीक है, और ये वाला नहीं है, ये भी कुछ भी नहीं कर. एंड द राइट ऑप्शन इज येलो वाला. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नो वन हैज द राइट आंसर. अच्छा, var कैन नॉट बी रीअसाइन. अच्छे से पढ़ना, ठीक है. var कैन नॉट बी रीअसाइन.
False.
हाँ, आंसर दो.
False.
Absolutely false. But माइक में बात बोलो. ओके, अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 18. अच्छा, ये भी करना है, 30 सेकेंड्स टाइम है. ये वाले पूरी चीजें कोड की तरह है. वैल नेम देखना कि इसके अंदर वैल है, ठीक है, नॉट वार. वैल, उसके बाद एक नॉनेबल स्ट्रिंग है, एक नेम वेरिएबल है, उसके अंदर हमने हेलो वर्ल्ड को स्टोर करके रखा. उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, चेंज करना चाहते हैं हेलो वर्ल्ड को कॉटलिन से. तो हम कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? नहीं, एक्चुअल में एरर आएगा क्योंकि हमारा एक ये वैल टाइप का हमारा वेरिएबल्स है और वैल को हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. थोड़ा लॉजिकल था, इसलिए मैंने बोला कि वैल टाइप का वेरिएबल है ये. तो ठीक है, एरर जो दे तो ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट करते हैं. कौन दिया एरर? अच्छा, रवि. ग्रेट. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 19, the second last. What is the an activity in Android? It's an Android class, it's an Android package, a single screen application with supporting Java code or none. Actually, Kotlin code भी होता है फिर भी, but what is in activity? Not Android package. It's a screen. हमने कल भी तो किया था ना, एक एक्टिविटी से दूसरे एक्टिविटी में हम जा रहे हैं ना, एक एक्टिविटी से दूसरे एक्टिविटी में, तो वही तो हमारा एक्टिविटी हो गया ना. Okay, no problem. But last question, 20 of 20, true or false? We can run our app without the emulator. Emulator के अलावा हम ये अपना ऐप को रन कर सकते हैं. It's true or false? एमुलेटर जो हम स्क्रीन पर डेस्कटॉप के अंदर ही जो स्क्रीन थे वो हमारा एमुलेटर हो गया. और इट्स ट्रू. हाँ, क्योंकि हम फोन में फिजिकल जो फोन होता है उसमें भी रन कर सकते हैं. और एग्जैक्टली, इट्स ट्रू. और नेक्स्ट
All of you have got it right. Great. It's time for the result. Third
Yeah.
position we have Rabiul.
Rabbi,
Congratulations. Second
second.
position we have Sakshi. And at first position we have Shivruti. Congratulations everyone. All of you
Yeah,
who
thank you.
participated did a great job. And this was your first step towards the learning and towards the path of Android development.
ग्रेट जॉब एवरीवन. ठीक है, जो जो पार्टिसिपेट किया सबको. तो ठीक है. नेक्स्ट. तो सारे जो जो राइट आंसर दिए थे वो इसका बाद है, बट फिर भी ठीक है. चलो और हम जाते हैं. ठीक है, वेलकम वेलकम. कौन इसके अंदर आंसर दे रहे थे? एरर, लोकेशन. अच्छा, फिर भी जो भी हो.
Monabul
तो
couldn't join the quiz because he joined late, so I think that is why he was answering. Good job, Monabul, as well.
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है. तो आप बताओ, और निहादी आप बताओ.
So, is that it, Niranjan, or are we doing something else as well?
हाँ
Is that it?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Okay. So, thank you so much, everyone. It was really a fun event. Today is the last day of the year, and seeing all of you being turned, even on the last day of Android Study Jam, gives me a lot of delight and hope for this community. This was one of the events that we, planned a lot and played around, tried to make the content something that could be in sync with the students. Not sure if everyone could have been helped, but we tried our best. Niranjan has worked for almost a month on this so that Android Study Jams function smoothly and turn out good. But eventually, everything comes down to just one thing is that once the session ends, are you able to take something good from it or not? Because it does not matter if we, conduct sessions or not. If it is not helping even one of the students, I don't think there makes any sense to do those. So what I would suggest all of you guys, since I have been on the same path, I have started my Android development journey last year this time, and it has been a year. And what I would like to say is that don't give up. A lot of time this would happen is that when you are following a tutorial, you will get errors. Such errors won't be, may not be present in the tutorial, or you won't get an idea about how to fix it. Don't worry, जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका Stack Overflow होता है. Stack Overflow would help you, and there is huge community support for Kotlin, for Android, and you can find answers. So on Stack Overflow, or just search on in Google. Even you can contact us because it might have been that we have faced similar issues, and we can help you there. So just don't lose hope. Even when I was learning Android development, I was doing a project and I faced a lot of issues. Once I got stuck with an error which I was not able to fix for a day or so. And when I look back, it was just my fault that I didn't call a function. So it caused the error. So all of this experience, all of this error debugging, everything has just given me a lot of experience and motivation to keep running through whatever is coming. So Android development is easy. You don't have to really push yourself a lot. But what makes it a little difficult is when we start to give up on encountering errors. I think you can easily fix them if you just look around. And that's it for you guys. I hope that you guys learned something from it and try to apply it by building small projects, be it BMI calculator, like as we have seen a simple interest calculator. Try to make a BMI calculator which would tell us what would be the BMI of a person on entering height and weight. So these small projects will, try to help you to gain enough experience to be able to build something large. Because eventually, apps like Facebook, Instagram, all of these were someday just an idea, and today they are some apps that have been hugely popular. So I think that's it from my side. If you have any questions, please shoot so that we can help you. So I believe no one has any questions. So thanking all of you again. I hope that you guys have a good day ahead. I am also wishing you happy new year in advance, and I hope that when you enter the new year you are motivated and ready to take chances with yourself and be fearless. So I hope that you have a good year ahead as well. Thank you so much for joining again. Have a good day ahead. Bye.
Bye, guys.